This year I decided to make an experiment. I went and I bought a horseradish. So I was looking for a horseradish that has two heads, more or less the same size. I bought one, I took it home, I cut off the head and I cleaned them, and here you have a picture. You see, they're pretty much the same. And I placed each horseradish head into a bowl. I filled each bowl with a bit of water, enough to cover around about half a head, and I placed both bowls in exactly the same place by the window in the kitchen. So two exactly the same heads, put in exactly the same size bowl, filled with exactly the same amount of water, placed in exactly the same place at the same time. The only difference is that one bowl I wrote a tick on, and on the other bowl I wrote an X. Now to the positive one, I went every morning and I said, "You are so beautiful, you are so amazing. Look at you, you have so much potential. I know you're going to live up to your potential. I know you're going to make me proud." And I said all sorts of complimenting things. To the negative one, although it wasn't easy because it didn't do anything to me, it's a creation of Hashem, but for the experiment purposes, I said, "You're so disgusting. You're not more than a root that's pulled out the ground with a cut-off head. You have no potential. You're never going to live up to your potential." Well, it's 3 weeks later, and I want to show you what they look like. It's the same stem with two different heads, everything exactly the same. The only difference is negative words and positive words. This is the negative, and this is the positive. This is on top, are dried out, there's not much going on here. Whereas the positive one has got full of life. The leaves are so beautiful, it's got beautiful roots, and these beautiful leaves, one of them is even almost as big as my hand. You see? Exactly the same thing. Positive words and negative words. No more than a head of a horseradish. Kal v'chomer, how much more so imagine a human being that can hear, understand, and has feelings. If you say destructive words to someone, you can destroy a person. And if you speak positive to people, you can build people. If you say to a child, "You're a lost case, nothing will ever grow out of you," then you take a child and you infuse them with positive energy and you say, "You're so amazing and you're doing so well," you can build a child. And this goes for a parent to a child, or a rebbe to a talmid, or a teacher to a student, or a spouse, or a friend, or even yourself. When we speak negative words and we make a negative atmosphere and a negative vibe, we can destroy a person. And when we make a positive vibe and we speak positive words and complimenting words, we can build people. Let's make this world a better place.